Good day, treasure hunters. Today, I have this Infinity Max Pro by Mega Detection, Germany. And of course, with the 12 search system to solve your issue in finding treasures like artifacts, gold, and jewelries. So for today, we're going to discuss the long-range locator, search system, geophysical, and the 3D ground scanner. Let's start now with the manual long-range locator in the Infinity Max Pro. So I'll just press this OK. Then, as you can see, there is a selection for the targets in the Infinity Max Pro. So we have bronze, cavity, copper, diamond, gemstone, gold ore, gold treasure, gold veins, iron, platinum, and the silver. For example, let's choose this gold treasure. So once you select this, so it will only locate for the gold treasure. And of course, the distance. So this one is up to 3,000 meters. So you can set this, for example, 2,050 meters. You want the range for the Infinity Max Pro to search. So, but this one, it will be maximum on 3,000 meters. It depends what you want. Press OK. Then we have this depth. So maximum is, of course, 50 meters. Then you can also adjust this one. So from 10 meters up to 50 meters. So for example, 40 meters, you want the device or the Infinity Max Pro to detect, just set it on 40 meters. Then we have this scan settings that you made. So we have gold treasure, 2,300 meters for the range, and for the depth is 40 meters. Just press start. Then you can start locating the target that you choose. So we have this indicator for the antenna, compass or digital compass, and we have this ground balance, or I mean this is the smart balancing. So it should be always on the normal. And of course, while using this long range, you have to unlock to make the antenna freely. Okay. And of course, you have to make the antenna longer. So for now, after locating this target that you choose, so after that, the strategy that you can do is using the geophysical system to know the percentage of the target. So now we are here in the geophysical system. So after using this long-range locator, so for example, we select earlier the gold treasure. So you want to know how many percentage of the gold is under that ground. So you can use this geophysical system. And of course, you have to attach this connector to attach this wire on this main unit, and also attach the wire to the probe that is provided. So this probe you have to input in the soil, of course, and as you can see, once you did the scanning, okay, just press this OK, then you can choose the target that you want. So for example, earlier we choose this gold treasure, so you can select the gold. Or if you want another type of target, like we have this bronze, silver, and water and iron, and even cavity. So for that one, it will give you the percentage of those targets. So for example, gold, then once you press this OK or start scan, so it's going to read these probes. Okay, the now target not found because we didn't put the probe on the soil, but it will give you the percentage and even the value like this, the rate and the percentage, or the rate percentage will give you if how many percentage, like 5%, 50%. It will give you the information here. And if there is no gold available on the soil or the ground, then it will give you a percentage of number 0. Now we are here in the ground scan search system in the Infinity Max Pro. So this is the tablet included, and it's already connected to the main unit of the Infinity Max Pro. And of course, this is the setup. This is the M.G.S or multi-ground scanner sensor. And this is the wire connected to the connector to the main unit. Of course, this is the shaft. It's adjustable, depends on your height. And this is the battery pack. You can put it here in the armrest or even in your pocket. So for example, press OK for the ground scan. and you can select the tablet option. And now, as you can see, we can set these settings here in the tablet, and you can adjust the width and the height. So for example, let's put the number 4 in width, also 4 in the height. Then we're going to select start point, left or right. So for now, we will start from the left, and this is the scan mode. So I will select for auto. For auto scan mode, meaning this one is suitable for open field without any like rocks or any big rocks that can interfere for your detection. So for manual, you can use this in the mountainous field, like in the mountain with too much rocks on the field. So you can use this manual. So for example, we're going to use manual even if we have this tiles flooring, but it's fine. Now we can scan pattern option. We have parallel or zigzag. So for now, we're going to use this parallel. So after that, you can start the scan. So now we're going to start the scanning. So of course, the sensor should be at least 10 centimeters away from the ground. And we will gonna press this trigger button because we choose manual each time we're going to move or step. So we choose this width 4, height and 4. For example now, okay, you can see it on the screen of the video on the tablet. One step, 2, 3, and 4. So let's go back, move to the right, and repeat the process. After that, you will gonna see this on the screen, and scan is completed. Do you want to save? Of course. Just tap PS, and this is the scan that we made. So as you can see, there is a different colors. Like for the red one, it's the metallic object. For the blue one is the hollow space. So it can be tunnel or cave. It depends on the image. For the green one, that is only the normal ground, so it's without any targets. So for this part, we have wireframe. You can view it like this. Reset. You can check the data, of course. So of course, as you can see, if it's metallic object, it is a higher number. So for the columns or the grid, you can remove it. And this one is the reset again. So you can view it in 2D or 3D. Okay. So we have also filter here. If you want to remove the green color or without any targets, you can remove it. And even the depth, it will show you the depth. Like for this one example, 10.83 meters for the metallic object. And there's another part for the hollow space. So as you can see, 13.29 meters. And of course, dirt type or type of soil is important to give you or to give the exact depth of the target. So you have to choose, of course. So we have available here. So for example, we are going to use this concrete and close. Then it will give you the exact depth of the target. Like for example here, it's different from earlier. So now it's 21.66 meters. And also if you want to change the colors, so there's a default, hot, seismic, and spring. And you can see also the percentage here on the lower part. For the blue color, there is a 10.7%. For this light blue, this is a light hollow space or a small hollow space on the ground. So 11.1 and 58.0% the ground or the color green or without any targets. For this yellow part, this is the ionic content that is surroundings the metallic object. And for this red color, this is the metallic object is 4.8%. Infinity Max Pro Multi-Search System Detector is available at Golden Detector Company. For more information and orders, you can contact us at the number displayed on the screen.